Hi, this is Taslim. I'm a pre-sales consultant from MAGNUM Network Support. Today I am going to show you the Cisco Mobility Express solution. Cisco Mobility Express solution is a license-free solution specifically designed for smaller to medium-sized network. Mobility Express offers quick and easy Wi-Fi connectivity for smaller size network, which can be deployed within minutes. Cisco Mobility Express has built-in enterprise features and security, which can be deployed in lesser time and in a fewer steps. As I don't have devices in hand today, I'll show you the features in the data sheets and the setting up guides, and I'll show you the pictures and the details of the access points. So moving on to the slide part, this is the access point. As you can see here, this is Cisco AirNet 1830 series access point, which is a very decent looking product, as you can see here. Then in the data sheets, as you can see, the AP got 148 watt DC for powering up the unit with the power adapter, one PoE port for powering up the device using a power injector or a PoE switch, one auxiliary port for the out of band management, one USB port for pushing up the configurations and updating the firmware, one console port for the command line configurations, and one mode button or the reset button for resetting the AP. So once you power on the device using the PoE or power adapter, after the LED blinks green, the Mobility Express software will automatically broadcast the Cisco Air Provision Wi-Fi network SSID. So once you go to your network panel here, you can see that there will be an SSID popping up with the Cisco Air Provision. So by connecting that SSID with the default password, which is password only, the key phrase is password only. So once you connect that network, it will go to the web GUI for the Mobility Express AP. So this is the interface. As you can see, it's a beautiful interface popping up with the line Cisco AirNet 1830 series Mobility Express, and with the default credentials as admin, you can log on to the device, and once you enter to the configuration setting menu, the first step is to set up your controller. So here, as you can see, it's a system name. So you can set up your system name here, decide system name, it can be anything. So then the country, you can select the country and the appropriate date and time for that country and the time zone for that. Then if you got a NTP server, you can configure here. Then the management IP address for the AP management later on, and the subnet mask for the IP and the default gateway IP address. Then after clicking the next button, you will go to the setting up of the SSID page, and in that you got two setup to complete. If you don't want guest network, you can disable it, and one is employee network. So you can set up your desired name here. It's a network name here. You can set up any name as an SSID of yours. Then the security, you can select WPA2 personal, WPA2 enterprise, and all. It depends on your requirement. So here it is WPA2 enterprise, and then the authentication server IP address for the enterprise, and then the shared secret key for connecting that SSID. Confirm shared secret, and then the VLAN name and its VLAN ID for that particular SSID. Then the DHCP server address, you can type in your DHCP server address here. For configuring the guest network, you'll have to again type in your desired network name here, then selecting the security as web consent, because once you connect the SSID guest, you will redirect to any of the browsers which the guest connects, and then the new VLAN the VLAN name the specific VLAN for the guest one, and then the VLAN ID, then again a DHCP server IP address. After hitting next button, you will enter into the RF parameter optimization page where you will get to see the client density level. So you can set your client density level, depends on the client density you got, to low, typical or high. Here in our case it is typical now. And then the traffic type, you can select either data or data and voice, depends on your traffic type. And by clicking the next, we are ready to go. We are done with the AP configurations. So the all these steps are the configuration steps to configure the AP. So as you saw here, it's a simple and easy steps to configure the AP. So that's it from the Cisco Mobility Express solution. As you saw, we can configure the AP in fewer steps. So try doing the configurations. If you get the device, please go ahead, and that's it from my end. Thank you for watching the video.